X-efficiency theory of Lebesgue. Harvey Lebesgue, American economist, developed X-efficiency theory in the 1960s. Lebesgue identified two roles of the entrepreneur. The first role is a gap filler and second is input completer. Gaps X-efficiency emerge when there are inefficiency in market, such as when incumbents, that is responsible person, do not utilize their resources efficiently because of political, social, psychological and structural factor. A classical example is the cost advantage of disorganized labor may help firms with low-cost business model to thrive at the bottom of the market at margin that are uneconomical for incumbent firm to pursue within the target range given to them by their shareholder. If the maximum possible productivity use of a resources is greater than the actual use by incumbents, an arbitrage opportunity emerge that an entrepreneur can exploit for profit. Entrepreneur can also improve input by putting to new resources, thus making existing production more efficient. Incumbent can ignore, waste or misuse resources due to inertia, incompetence or ignorance. Thus, the entrepreneur is seen as correcting market inefficiency by improving the information flow in a market. According to X-efficiency theory of Lebesgue, entrepreneur plays two important roles. Gap filler role of entrepreneur, fill the gap in imperfect market to put the enterprise in motion. Second, input completer role of entrepreneur, transforming available inputs that improve the efficiency of the existing production method. Basically, X efficiency is the degree of inefficiency in the use of resources within the firm. It measures the extent to which the firm failed to realize its productive potential. According to Lebesgue, when an input is not used effectively, the difference between the actual output and the maximum output attributable to that input is a measure of the degree of X efficiency. X efficiency arises either because the firm resources are used in the wrong way or because they are wasted, that is not used at all. Lebesgue identified two main roles for the entrepreneur, that is gap filler and an input completer. Conclusion: according to Lebesgue, entrepreneur functions are determined by the X efficiency, which means the degree of inefficiency on the use of resources. It measures the extent to which the firm fails to realize its productive potential. The theory concludes that an entrepreneur has to act as gap filler and an input completer if there are imperfections in market. By using entrepreneur innovative skill, he creates an entrepreneurs where not all the markets are well established or clearly defined. That's all about Lebesgue theory of X efficiency. Thank you.